Hi everyone, my name is Divya. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be testing and reviewing the Inatur Herbals Natural Hair Color, which is available in two shades, burgundy and brown. I will be testing out the brown on my mom. So since I don't really have grays and I do not really apply any sort of colors on my scalp, I thought my mom would be a better model to demonstrate and test out the product. So I requested her and she agreed to be my model. In case you're not aware, Inatur Herbals is an Indian Ayurvedic brand and I've been a customer of theirs for a really long time, and I've also done a lot of reviews on their products in the past, which I will be linking up here or in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, I think we should start with application and how it fared out for my mom, and then we'll move out to what I actually feel about the product at the end of the video. So this is how the product is packaged, and it also comes with its own applicator. It has no added ammonia or chemicals to it in any form, and it's essentially a powder that you have to activate using lukewarm water and create a thick paste out of it. Now the brand does recommends to leave it overnight for best results, but in case you do not have that much time, you can leave it for minimum 2 to 3 hours for the product to really activate and leave the color. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to henna application, so I just followed what my mom told me because she used to apply henna long back. So she just told me, guided me how to apply it all over. I followed her instructions and it was pretty simple. You just have to create small sections, cover all the roots, and then move on to the lens and create this bun. So basically what you have to do is, wrap one strand in clockwise direction and the other one in anti-clockwise. That way the hair tends to interlock themselves naturally, and the bun stays in place. And you have to leave it on for some time. I think she left it for around 2 hours and then she just simply washed it off. You don't really have to shampoo it post henna, you just have to condition your hair, that's it. And yeah, that's all about it, and this was the result. Now her hair definitely felt a lot more smoother, softer, and the color was at some places slightly orangish. The fronts I was impressed with because that were really brown and dark and intense. So I really liked how the front of her hair looked, and overall I love the feel of her hair. And these are pretty much the results. You've already seen her grays while I was applying, and this is what it looked at the end. So yeah. Alright, now that you have already seen the results, here are my 2 cents on the product. But before we move ahead in this video, let me be very loud and clear that this is a natural product and in no way it's a direct substitute for the chemical colors available in the market in terms of the intensity of the color or in terms of the longevity, because the formulation, the concept, the technology and the ingredients vary drastically when these two products are compared together, and therefore they cannot yield the same products. And I really want you guys to set your expectations right as we move along in this video, because it is not fair to compare the results based the chemical colors, because as I said, they are not going to yield the same kind of results. So this product is basically for somebody who is on a lookout for a natural alternative, primarily because they're concerned about the ingredients that go in their hair care products and are focusing on the overall scalp and hair health. So if these are the 2 things that matter to you, then this is the product that you can consider adding into your routine, because it is made with ingredients like henna, Bhringraj, Amla Moringa Black Seed, all of which are absolutely amazing for your hair. They are known, they have been researched and studied, and there have been results that have shown they are great for hair health, they are great for promoting hair growth, better blood circulation, reducing hair fall, also enhancing the color of the hair over time. Of course, if you have just started out getting grays and if you start applying the product, these ingredients do help in enhancing and retaining the natural color owing to their benefits and their qualities. But of course, these results do take time. This is not an overnight thing, and you have to consistently use them for a very long time. Let me be very honest, it's not going to be a short-term thing. You have to use them consistently for a long time to see that kind of results. Okay, now talking about my experience, or rather my mom's experience, I feel the product did really well. However, there was one mistake that I did add a little more water than required, and the consistency was slightly runny initially. So my mom asked me to add more product in the morning. So some part was completely activated and some part was not that activated when I applied it. and I felt that if that was not the case, the results would have been even better. In terms of the color, the intensity of the color, this is what I feel, and I will keep you guys posted about it when she tries it the next time through my Instagram, so make sure that you're following me there as well. However, I am very happy the way color came in the front, because it was very dense and brown and the intensity was really good. So I really like how the fronts and everything were looking, and you know, if she ties her hair up, it won't be very visible, so that's great. That works for her, so that's perfectly fine. And with respect to how her hair felt, I felt that they were very soft, they were conditioned, and they were very smooth as well. So her hair has been extremely dry during the lockdown, and I felt the product really helped with that dryness to a great extent actually. And in fact, even she felt that, you know, the hair were very smoother, and they, like, you know, she was able to run her fingers through it very freely and very easily, so that was a plus. And yeah, my bhabhi also, you know, wants to try the product now, because she uses henna on and off. She's not into hair colors at all because of the chemical thing, so she uses henna on and off, and she was very intrigued when I got the product. She was like, okay, I'm gonna try this one. So yeah, I will again let you guys know how it fares out for her in through my Instagram stories. So yeah, all in all, I feel it's a great product if you are somebody who is looking for natural alternatives. And from the price point also, I feel it's you know, it's pretty reasonable, because it's $650 for the brown color and $600 for the burgundy color, and these are all natural ingredients, and you get quite enough quantity that will last you easily around 5 to 6 uses if I'm not wrong. And which I feel is great. It's going to be very economical. If you do the maths, it's going to cost you very less per use, and I think that that's absolutely great. So yeah, that was how I feel about the product, and I definitely recommend it. You know, if you are looking for a natural, healthier and product which has natural organic ingredients which are actually good for your hair health, then this is the product for you. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the review and the demo part, and if in case you are planning to buy anything from Inatur, you can save some amount by using my code DIVYA15 to grab flat 15% off site-wide. And yeah, let me know if you're going to try this one out, or if you've already tried it out, or if you've tried anything else from Inatur. I would love to know your reviews and what you think about the products. And yeah, I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.